Hey everybody, it's Steve and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Steve, brought to you by Sandy Mush Smoking Co. So in this week's episode we're going to mix it up a little bit. We're not going to be talking about awesome recipes with our Sandy Mush Smoking Co. spice blends. Instead we're going to be talking about doggy biscuits. So I am baking some doggy biscuits tonight to raise money for an organization that takes rescue dogs, trains them to be PTSD therapy dogs and companion dogs for veterans with PTSD. It's called Saving Grace Canines, and it's a great organization. Definitely look them up and see how you can support them if there's a local one in your area, or if you just want to support them. But basically, we're making some doggy biscuits today, which is really fun. So the ingredients for these dog biscuits are very simple. It's going to be one batch. I'm making two batches, but one batch is going to be 1 cup of peanut butter, 3/4 cups of milk, 2 cups of flour, 3 to 4 strips of bacon, cooked bacon, about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of baking powder, and 1 egg. I'm making 2 batches, so that's going to be 2 cups of peanut butter, 6 to 8 strips of bacon, 4 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of milk, 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of baking powder, and then 2 eggs. So that's the basic recipe here, and you can, of course, add and subtract ingredients, or the flavoring ingredients, the peanut butter, the bacon. You can add what you think your dog likes. And as we've been doing recently, you're going to see it play out here in front of us with the picture-in-picture sort of thing. What's going to happen is you're going to sift together the dry ingredients, the flour and the baking powder. Then you're going to mix the peanut butter, the milk, and the eggs together in the I'm using a KitchenAid mixer. You can use a hand mixer, although the dough is quite tough, so you'll have to work at it. But basically, sift together the dry ingredients, put them to the side. In a mixer, mix together your peanut butter, the milk, and the eggs. And then once that's well mixed, then you can add in the flour or the dry ingredients slowly until it forms that nice thick ball, and at that same time be adding in the bacon so that it's easier to incorporate. You're going to roll it out to about 1/8 of an inch thick, and then I took my counter and wrapped it in aluminum foil and then used parchment paper. So I don't know how you're going to want to contain the mess, but that's how I did it. And then some cookie cutters. I got this assortment of cookie cutters, which is really fun. It's got some letters and numbers and shapes and everything like that. I've also seen some doggy bone cookie cutters. I don't have any, but those look really cool. I'm going to be getting some. And I'm definitely going to be making more of these. It's a really easy recipe, and the dogs absolutely love them. And I'll admit I had a couple of the biscuits myself, and they came out really good. You don't really taste the peanut butter, or at least I don't. I'm not a dog, so I don't have that powerful of a palate, but you can certainly taste the bacon, and they were pretty good. So, and that's what we're looking at. We're looking at the peanut butter, the milk, bacon, eggs, and flour. You mix it up into a dough, you roll it out, you cut it, put it out on parchment paper and baking sheets, and you're going to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at 325, and you want to see a nice golden brown on the bottom, and then it's time to flip them. And then you cook the remaining 10 minutes. So it's about 25 to 35 minutes total. So it's about 15 to 20 minutes on the first batch, on the first side, and after you flip it, it's about 10 minutes. And that's all done at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you'll see in a minute, the dogs go crazy for them. Frankie, Cody, you want a biscuit? Come here. Come on.
Julie brings them to us.
Oh, Cody boy, sit. Good boy. Easy. Good boy. Frankie. Come here, Frankie. Yeah. All right.
Because I am so much older than you, don't make me do this.
Yeah. Is that good? You like that, buddy? So it's a lot of fun. And don't forget, it's the holiday season. So please check out the Etsy store. It has all your spice blend needs and these fancy aprons and the hats you've seen and stickers, and your family and your friends will absolutely love you if you get them some spice blends or a t-shirt or an apron. And also, I'll be posting some information about Saving Grace Canines and also a silent auction if you guys want to check out the silent auction. We're raising money for this group of people here doing some really good work with veterans and with rescue dogs. So thank you a bunch for being here. Love your pets, and I love you guys. And thank you very much for watching.